everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, VG and Virginia, also known as Qwabe twins, have received a lot of praise after attended the Reed Dance or uMkhosi woMhlanga this past Saturday, 17 September at Enyokeni Royal Palace in KwaNongoma, KZN. Speaking to Daily Sun, VG said, "We were only 10 years old when we started attending virginity testing. Our elder sister used to do it and we were inspired to join her. It was a voluntary decision and we are happy with 2 kids. Initially, we were doing it for fun, but as we grow older, we realize it's important," said Vici. "We started attending the Reed Dance at the age of 16. Now both virginity testing and the Reed Dance have become part of our lifestyle." So guys, they started virginity testing at the age of 10, but benga attend uMhlanga. Then they started attending uMkhosi woMhlanga at the age of 16. Virginia told the publication, "We do get suitors, but we have decided to stay pure and preserve our virginity. Also, we've never had boyfriends because we don't have time." In addition, the twins promote virginity preservation among young women. "I want to encourage young girls that you can be a celebrity and still be a virgin. We are happy we have taken this route because it's protected us." Well, guys, I hope young girls are learning from the Qwabe twins. They have made their choice with no regrets. I wish whenever they decide to be in a relationship, they can get someone who will love and treasure them. They are 23 years of age. Bayeshelwa kodwa abaqomi futhi akaze baqome, akaze nje babe nama-boyfriend, guys. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and just say one word to the Qwabe twins. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome.